Hi and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I create my candle labels using Canva. I actually have the free version of Canva, so I'm going to be showing you how I create my labels using that. And my candle labels are actually very simple and minimalist, so that's going to be very easy, but I'm also going to be showing you how I print them at home. So yeah, make sure you watch the entire video so you can see how I do that. Before we get started, if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also like this video if you enjoyed it. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in my Canva account and I do have the free version. I have yet to feel the need that I need to order. I have yet to feel the need to have to pay for the royal, which I actually do want to. I plan on it because there's a lot of designs that I would like to use that I actually can't use, but so far I've been thugging it out and making it work with just the free one. So I'm going to show you guys how I create my labels for my candles. So for this video, I will be creating a label for my small tints like this. This was actually for a wedding candle. So as you can see, I already have created one down here. Usually I would just go here and like make a duplicate, but for this video, I'm going to show you guys how I start from the beginning and just do the labels. So I'll go up here where it says create design, and depending on what is it that I'm trying to do, I normally just go to, like if I'm doing a thumbnail, so you guys can see I use Canva for a thumbnail as well. I'll click here, or for my other labels, for the square labels, I usually customize the size. But for this design, I do need a circle size, so I would just click that. And as you can see here on the side, it'll give you some templates that you can go off. I normally don't like to use it, and if I do, I customize it, of course, because I want it to be original. I feel like you don't want to have a design that someone else can also have, So if I like the words, maybe I'll click on it and stuff like that. But other than that, I start from scratch. So for this video, I have to make a label for my relax candle. I'm gonna go here to text. I know what font I use, so let's see. I'm gonna go over here and just find the font that I normally use, which is this is the font that I like to use. So I'll go ahead and just type what the name of my candle is, and I'm gonna make it big. Then I'm gonna add another font, and I'm gonna do it smaller this time, and this one's gonna be the name of my candle business. And I'm gonna look for the font that I like to use. There you go. And I'm actually gonna put this a little bit more high right here. I'm gonna put it right in the middle because I do have to add some other stuff at the bottom. So now I'm gonna add another font, and this one's gonna have the notes. Okay, so it's lavender and sage. I like to change the way this looks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up here and I'm gonna make it go to the side. I'm actually gonna make this lowercase because I just went back and looked at my other labels, and I actually have this lowercase. And at the bottom, I'm just gonna add the size and also the wax that I use. So once you are pleased with your label, what I'm gonna do, this is the most important part. This is how you print it at home. So I'll go to where my labels are from to get the template. So the label that I'm using is from Online Labels. So I'm gonna go there, and then I'm gonna look up the size that I have. So, and the one that I'm using is white gloss, and I do have an inkjet printer. So that's what I'm gonna click. And then I'm going to bring it all the way down here. Where is it? And I'm going to download the template. To download the template, you do have to put your email. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then I'm going to come back. Now that I have my template, what I'm going to do is go to import file and import your template. It's going to come up here. So we're just going to click that, and then we're going to go back to the design that we just did, and we're going to copy everything. We're going to group it. Make sure that it's grouped, And when it's grouped, you're gonna press Command C, which is gonna copy what you just grouped, and you're gonna go back to the template and you're going to press Command V. So it's going to paste here, and then you're just gonna size it to how you want it to look. So once you place it how you want it, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the label again, you're gonna Command C, and you're just going to paste it again as many times as you need it. So I need 4 labels, so I'm gonna paste it 4 times. And one thing I do wanna mention, if once you paste your label here to this page, and let's say you're looking at it and you want to lower something, like you wanna adjust, just like let's say I wanna adjust where it says relax, but since I grouped it, I can't just move it. What you have to do is you're gonna press it and you're gonna ungroup. That way you can move just that one word. And now what you're gonna do, whenever you print it, you wanna make sure that you print it without the circles, because the circles will come out in your sheets. So when you're happy and pleased with how everything looks, what you're gonna do is click on the big one, the template, and you're going to delete. Okay, you're going to delete it before you print. Okay, you're going to press share and you're going to download. Now to print it, we're going to press file and we're going to press print. What I like to do before I print it, so it can print exactly how I designed it, not for it to shrink on the paper like on the label, I like to press here and I'll put 100%. And then we're just going to press print, and this is how it looks.